GoDaddy Online Store Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to GoDaddy products are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll break down GoDaddy's dropshipping features, its strengths and weaknesses, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your e-commerce business. GoDaddy's online store platform is designed to make setting up an online store as simple as possible, especially for beginners. It offers a built-in dropshipping solution that connects you with a variety of suppliers, allowing you to sell products without worrying about inventory management or fulfillment. The integration with suppliers is seamless, making product sourcing and order management easy to handle. The platform also provides access to essential tools like payment gateways and shipping options, helping you run your business smoothly. One of the standout features of GoDaddy's online store is its ease of use. The setup process is straightforward, even for those with no technical skills. You can choose from a range of customizable templates, helping you create a professional-looking store in minutes. GoDaddy also offers built-in marketing tools like SEO optimization and social media integration, which can help you drive traffic and increase sales. Additionally, it's mobile optimized, ensuring your store works well on smartphones and tablets, an important feature in today's mobile-driven world. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. While GoDaddy's platform is user-friendly, it lacks some of the more advanced features found in other e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. For instance, its dropshipping capabilities are more basic, and the selection of suppliers may not be as extensive. Additionally, there's limited flexibility in terms of customization, especially if you need specific features or integrations. GoDaddy's online store is ideal for small businesses or entrepreneurs just starting out with dropshipping. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-manage platform to sell products online, GoDaddy could be a good fit. However, if you're aiming for a more scalable, feature-rich e-commerce experience, you may want to consider other platforms. That's it for today's review. Make sure to check the links in the description for more information on GoDaddy's online store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dropshipping insights.